People say it all the time when they see a rescue animal tucked inside safely inside a home. They look at cats ruling the living room couch from corner to corner. They smile, they sigh, and they say the exact same phrase. Look how lucky they are.
Hello.
They talk about the journey, from a cold concrete shelter floor to a soft, comfy pet bed, from an uncertain past to a guaranteed meal, from a life without a name to a life where they are the center of someone's universe. And on paper, yes, they are right. Those animals are incredibly lucky. But as I lay down here cuddling my sweetest rescue cat, which we named Lucky, I realize that everyone has it completely backward. Her name might be Lucky, but she isn't the lucky one. I am.
Wake up. Play with mommy. You okay? Okay. Good night. Love you. You okay? Sorry. Sorry for disturbing the baby. Where are you? Hello.
We live in a world that is obsessed with transactions. Everything feels earned, negotiated, or conditional. We spend our days running from one invisible finish line to the next, worrying about whether we are doing enough to prove our value to the people around us. But Lucky, she doesn't care about my portfolio. When I walk through my front door, carrying the heavy, exhausting weight of the outside world, she doesn't judge me. She doesn't evaluate me. With her, I am just home. To her, my arrival is a cue to brush against my ankles, purring like a tiny, furry engine. She greets me like a hung the moon, even on the days I feel completely invisible to the rest of the world. That kind of unconditional grace, it is a daily miracle wrapped in black and white fur. And I didn't have to do anything to earn it.
I love this baby so much. Lucky likes it. My baby likes it so What's happening with you? Hello? Hi, hi. Hi. What's happening with the baby there? Look at our baby. Yick. Siya naman nagpapa-baby ang baby, oh. Yes, baby. Hello. Love you too, Lucky. You always like it when I'm lying down. You can hear the purring. Lucky, Lucky.
Science tries its best to measure this connection. Doctors talk about lowered heart rates and biological benefits of companionship. But loving Lucky has taught me what the true magic can't capture in a lab. It's a quiet rhythm of her soft chest rising and falling next to me in the dark where the rest of the world feels far too loud. She offers me a love that stays completely put. And let's be honest, she keeps me human. She forces me out of my own head. She reminds me how to play, how to trust, and how to find immense joy in the smallest, most ordinary moments of my existence. Okay, Lucky, what's wrong? What's happening? Okay. Hello. That's too much. I think someone is hungry. You hungry? What's wrong? You hungry? This is too much. Love you. What's wrong? What's wrong? My baby's hungry. What's wrong? My baby's hungry. What's wrong? What's wrong? Oh. Baby's hungry? Okay. Bye. Bye. Show them how you kiss mommy. Kiss again. Kiss. Show them how you kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Hey, kiss mommy. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? Hello. Shamata. The baby hasn't eaten breakfast yet. And the baby's hungry. Okay, bye-bye. This is my baby. You okay? So I let her have the softest blankets. I let her have the gourmet treats and the absolute best spots on my couch. I like to call myself her caretaker. I like to think I am the one who saved her. But most days, it feels like she's the one keeping me anchored to the earth. Lucky might have been given a second chance at life when she walked through my door, but in return, she gave me a companion for my soul. People look at her and say her name fits perfectly, but every single day, I get to wake up and share my life with her. I know the truth. I am the lucky one. To wake up. Have to feed Goldie. It's really 8 o'clock. If you are watching this right now, I want to encourage you to open your heart to a rescue cat of your own. There is a shelter animal out there right now, sitting on a cold floor, waiting for the door to open. They just don't need a home. They might just be the exact missing piece you need to find your own grounding. You think you are going there to save a life, but the truth is, they have a funny way of rescuing us right back. They bring a quiet stillness into a chaotic world and turn an ordinary house into a sanctuary. I hope you find your own lucky place, whatever or whoever that may be. If you want to see more of Lucky's daily adventures and the gentle reminders she gives me to slow down, please hit that subscribe button, leave a comment about your own rescue fur babies, and share this with someone who needs a little warmth today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.